Okay, made some obvious changes from the design I sent you. I think you're leaning back towards exactly pretty much what you have. Keeping the refrigerator here, which I don't, I think the other drawing had the refrigerator here as well. This is a 33 wide opening for a refrigerator, so I haven't looked at the notes that I took way back, but it's probably what you have. This would be cookie sheet storage. It's a single cabinet here. I'll show you what it looks like. Single cabinet. Make that a little bigger. They give you a shelf inside, but a lot of people take the shelf out and they put cookie sheets on a vertical. That would be this cabinet right here. Then in the corner, right there, is a Super Susan cabinet. So there'll be two trays that sit on a fixed shelf, and they spin independently of each other. This is probably better than what you have today. Then we have various wall cabinets here. We've got a diagonal wall cabinet. There's your Super Susan today. This is probably a 12-inch wide wall cabinet. I'm noticing here there is a drawer above here. I don't have that in the floor plan. I just have a full height door. If you value that drawer, let me know. I can probably add a drawer to this base cabinet here. And I have a 12-inch here. This is where you want to put your existing spice rack. The opening, the door opening, will be 18 inches. And I think, well, it says here, I think this says 16 inches wide. I think that's a 16 right there, spice rack. So if your door opening's 18 inches, then this should work. This being this cabinet here. And we got a microwave, we got a stove. So if this is a Super Susan that's 36 inches and this is a 12-inch base cabinet, then from this corner to the left side of the stove should be about 48 inches. We've got a base cabinet with a drawer. I believe that's what you have today. Right here. Let's go a little bit further. Yeah. Then you probably have a, if you want a double sink, you'd want to maintain a 36 wide sink base. And of course we would center that on the window. I think originally you were talking about moving the window, but it sounds like you're going to keep the window where it is. Then we have a bank of 3 drawers. I believe that's what you have today. Yeah, you can see them over here. 1, 2, 3. Then you have a blind corner cabinet. Not my favorite cabinet. So if you want another Super Susan, there's probably room for it, but it would shrink the size of this drawer base cabinet where I have my mouse. If you're happy with the dishwasher in the Peninsula, that's fine. We can keep it there. If you are happy with the exact position of that dishwasher, then probably a measurement I could use is from this filler right here to the edge the left edge of that dishwasher. So this width right here, what would that be? And that might keep us from using a Super Susan and sticking with the blind corner, which is what this is currently. So that's what I currently have in the plan. This is a blind corner cabinet. So if I pop that open, this is the blind that you can't, it's hard to get to, but I've got a tray in there. You can see I got 2 trays in there, which makes it a little easier to get to this cabinet. Let's see what it looks like when I open the door. Yeah, you can see the trays come out. See the trays? They look something like that. So that's this cabinet here. Then the dishwasher. Then you said that you have from here to here 84 inches. Let's look at that again. Yeah, from the front of the countertop to the beginning of this 45-degree angle, you have 84 inches. But this guy here doesn't look like much more than a 30-inch wide cabinet. Having said that, this cabinet here is 42 inches wide. Inside it are 2 roll-out trays that go all the way across. So this is a great cabinet, but I question the measurement from the front edge of this counter to the beginning of this angle here, if that's really 84, as you have shown right here. Might be an important measurement because it sounds like you want to maintain the half wall that you have holding up the raised bar. Sounds like you just want to maintain all that. You don't want to have to monkey with that. So this is a single pull-out trash. If you wanted a double pull-out trash, I could do that, but it'd have to be an 18-inch wide cabinet. This is currently a 15 wide cabinet with a drawer on the top. So there's a pull-out trash behind this door. And then, of course, I don't have anything, any storage on this side. I know one of the drawings had storage on this side, but maybe you want to keep this raised bar. Wall cabinets here, and the idea would be to bring the cabinets to the ceiling with some crown molding. If I click this button, it'll show that you are short of your ceiling, I believe, yes. So you have a gap above your existing cabinets. Your existing cabinets are probably 30 inches tall, I'm guessing. These cabinets here are, I believe, 33 inches tall. So, yeah, they're 33 inches tall. And usually we install wall cabinets 54 inches from the floor. So the bottom of the wall cabinet to the floor is 54 inches. Which will end up, if I've got your ceiling height correct, which will end up giving you just a little bit of room for some crown molding, maybe about 2 inches. Let me know if this is the drawing you had in mind, since you're not moving the window and you're keeping the appliances where you have them currently.